Hello friends, in this video we will discuss a case study questions on the chapter 6 of class 12th, that is application of derivative. The question is like this: an architect designs a garden in his society. The garden is in the shape of a rectangle inscribed in a circle of radius 10 meter as shown below. So here is we are having a circular park and inside the circular park there is a garden PQRS which is of rectangular shape. PQRS is of rectangular shape. That means each angle of this rectangular shape is 90 degree. And we know angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. That means definitely the center of the circle will lie on this line PR, which is the diagonal of the rectangle. Now the question is like this: based on the above information, answer the following. 2x and 2y represents the length and breadth of the rectangular part. 2x is the length and 2y is the breadth. So suppose this is our 2x and this is our 2y. It is given that the radius of the circular part is 10 meter. Since 2x and 2y represents the length and breadth of the rectangular part, then find the relation between the variables. So clearly from this figure we have PSR is a right angle triangle, and since it is a right angle triangle, I can say that PS square plus SR square is equals to PR square. PS square plus SR square is equals to PS square. That means 4x square plus 4y square is 10 plus 10, 20. The length of PR is 20. So it will be 20 square. That means x square plus y square is equals to 100. So D will be the correct option. Now comes to question number 2. The area of the green grass A expressed as a function of x is dash. Area of the green grass means this whole part. This part is your area A, means the area of the rectangle PQRS. So area of rectangle PQRS is length into breadth, means 4xy. So just now we have the relation that x square plus y square is equals to 100. So from this I can say that y square is equals to 100 minus x square, means y equals to 100 minus x square root. So you put the value here. Now your aim is to find the value of a in form of x, and a will be 4x into 100 minus x square root, means B will be the correct option. Okay. Now comes to question number 3. The maximum value of the area A. So A is given, it is 4x into 100 minus x square root over. We have to find the maximum value of the area A. Means it's a question on maxima minima now. And we know if you are having question of maxima minima, to find the maximum or minimum value, our procedure says that find the first derivative of the function, equate it to 0, get the critical points, and all the critical points we have to check whether our function is maximum or minimum. So let us find the square here. It will be 16x square into 100 minus x square, means 1600x square minus 16x to the power 4. Let it be B. So the point where A will be maximum means the point where B will be maximum. So B dash is equals to 3200x minus 64x cube. If you will take B dash equals to 0, then you will get 64x cube is equals to 3200x. So if you will solve this, you will get x square equals to 50, means x equals to 5 root 2. Now B dash is 3200 minus 64 into 3, 192x square. Now the value of B dash, the value of B double dash at x equals to 5 root 2 is equals to 3200 minus 192 into 50 will be 9600, means it is negative. Since the double derivative is negative, that means b is maximum at x equals to 5 root 2. It means a square is maximum at that point, and a is also maximum at that point x equals to 5 root 2. So we have to find the maximum area A, the maximum value of the area A. And A is nothing but our 4x into 100 minus x square square root. To put the point where the area is maximum, that is 5 root 2. So 4 into 5 root 2, 100 minus 5 root 2 square is 50. So if you will calculate this, you will get 20 root 2 into 5 root 2 means 200. So maximum area will be 200 square meter, means B will be the correct option. Now comes to the fourth question. The value of length of rectangle A if A is maximum. So as you know, length is 2x, and if area is maximum, then x is 5 root 2. So 2 into 5 root 2, which is 10 root 2 meter, means A will be the correct option. Now comes to the fifth one, the area of the orange color part. See, in our figure, the orange color part means this part, this part, this part, and this part. This area we have to find. From the figure, it is clearly visible that this part is the area of the circle excluding the rectangular part, means this area is equals to area of circle minus area of the rectangular part, means 200 square meter, just we have find out. So area of circle is pi r square minus 200, which is 100 pi minus 200. If you will take 100 common, it will be 100 into pi minus 2 square meter, means B will be the correct option. Hope you understood the problem. Thank you.